Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is decimal place value chart, and also another topic we'll cover, that is place value of decimal numbers. Now in the last lecture we learned what decimals are and how they relate to fractions. Today we'll take it one step further by understanding how to find out the place value of digits in decimal numbers, right? So we'll also learn how to draw a decimal place value chart. Now once we learn how to draw a decimal place value chart, we'll be able to find out a place value of a decimal numbers, right? Okay, so let's start. So now students, please remember another definition of decimal. In the last class, on the last lecture, we have learned a definition of decimal. Here I'll give you another definition of decimal. Please remember this. This will help you. See, fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, ... okay, and so on and so forth, are called decimal fractions. They are called decimal fractions, right? They are called decimal fractions. Now, for example, let's see few examples what we mean by that. See, 3 by 10, right? So fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000 and so on are decimal fractions. So 3 by 10 can be written as, so it's a fraction. What kind of fractions? Denominator 10. So we can write this as 0.3. Now how? Just remember a trick. We'll learn it in a vivid way in the later chapters or later parts of this decimal series. See, for example, let's say here, say 3 is a whole number. Remember, 3 is a whole number. We are dividing it by another whole number, 10. Now, once there is a whole number, visualize that the point lies on the right hand side of the whole number. And after the decimal point, there is a fractional part. Okay. So here I say 3. So there is no fractional part. So 3, there is a point. Visualize it. Okay. So once we divide it by 10, the point moves on the left by one place. Why one place? Because 10 has 1 0, right? So we'll move the point to the left one place. See, 0.3. Point has been moved to the left one place. See, another example, 33 by 100, right? 33 by 100. So we can write it 0.33. Why? Imagine point lies here. So there is 2 zeros in the denominator. So we'll move 2 places, 1 place and 2 places. The point lies here now. See here. So remember this one. It will help you. So 227 by 1000, right? So this is 0.227. We can write it. Why? Because in the denominator, this is 1000, means there are 3 zeros. So imagine after 227, there is a point. So the point will move 1 place, 2 place and the 3 place on the left. So it becomes 0.227. Got it? So just remember this one, student. Okay, let's move to the introduction. So what is introduction? That is place value in whole number. Now this is a very old concept that we have already covered in the chapter 1, right? Place value. So I think you remember, students, and you already know this, right? For example, see, I have taken a number, whole number, 457, right? Now the place value of 4 here is what? So you remember 457, from the right we write ones, then comes tens, then come hundreds, right? So 4 will be what? Hundreds place. Hundreds. The place value will be 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. You remember? Again, place value of 5. See, it lies in the tens position. So tens. and if I multiply 10 with 5, it becomes 50. So the place value will be 50. In a very similar sense, the place value of 7 will be what? Ones, means 7 into 1 is 7. So these are the places that we have already covered, right? So you know it. Now decimals are just the extension of this concept. So you know this concept, and decimal is just an extension of this concept, but instead of going, see, we are going from this position towards the left, but instead of going to the left, now we'll be going to the right after the decimal point. Got it? So we'll see how to do that. So let's come to the next section. Okay, so what is the next section? Next section is decimal place value chart. Now this is the decimal place value chart. How to draw it? So pause the video and please try to have a glimpse of this table, right? Just pause the video and see that here in the middle, right, I have written what? Decimal point. So on the left, what is happening? See, we know it. This is the whole number part. See, this is the whole number part. So if you go to the left, you get ones, then you get tens, then you get hundreds, then you get thousands, 10,000s, and so on. So I have written ones, then tens, then 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So this section on the left hand side of the decimal is known as the whole number, or the whole number part that we are already aware of. Now see, this is the right, RIGH, to right. So on the right hand side of the decimal, what do you see? This becomes tenths. So not tens but tenth, TENTHS, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Got it? So this can be written as tens means 1 by 10, hundreds means 1 by 100, thousand means 1 by 1000, and so on and so forth. It can be extended. So on the right hand side, this particular portion is known as fractional part. Now see, this area is known as places. These are value of the places. Got it? So this tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, or tenths, hundreds and thousands and so on are known as places, and these values are known as value of places. Got it? So on the left hand side, you can see that 1 becomes 10. See, if I move one place from ones to tens and tens to 100 and so on, so what is the trick here? See, I am multiplying 10. Okay, I am multiplying. So this is 10 times. So if I move one place from ones to tens, see, multiplying by 10. If I move from tens to 100, see, multiplying by 10. So once I move towards left, I am multiplying 10, right? So this is our multiplication of 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, 100 multiplied by 10 is 1000, and so on. Now once I move to the right, this is multiplied by 1 by 10. So this is 1 by 10 times. So once this is 1 by 10, this becomes 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 100. Now this becomes 1 by 1000. How? 1 by 100 into 1 by 10. So once you move to the right, you just multiply 1 by 10. Got it? So every place to the left of the decimal point, it becomes 10 times bigger. So you see, it becomes 10 times bigger. Every place to the right of the decimal, it becomes 10 times smaller. So it is becoming smaller, 10 times smaller, right? So left means bigger and right means smaller. Remember students, left means bigger and right means smaller. So the decimal point, always remember, the decimal point separates the whole number part and the fractional of the decimal part, right? So let's take an example and let's see how to use this decimal place value chart in finding out the place value of the digits in the number. So we'll take a number, right? So we'll take a number. Let's see, we'll take a number. So 235.456. So we have taken a number, right? So 2, 3, 5. So 5 is ones, 3 is hundreds, and 2 is thousands. So we'll write it, see, ones. So we'll write 5, then 3, then 2. So 2, 3, 5. Here comes point. So write the point here. Then write 4, 5, 6. Got it? So I have written the digits. So what I have written here, see, digits. So we have written the digits of the particular example that I have shown you. 235.456, right? Now, if somebody asks you what is the place value of 2, see, in which place it lies? 100. So just multiply this by 100. So this becomes 200. See, 3 lies in the tens place. So multiply 3 by 10. It becomes 30. 5 lies in ones place. So multiply 5 by 1. So the place value of the digits, on the left hand side of the decimal point, we have already deduced. Now let's see what happens on the right hand side. So this is 4. It lies in the 10th, means 1 by 10. See, multiply 1 by 10. So 4 multiplied by 1 by 10 is 4 by 10. Okay. Now 5 lies in 1 by 100. So multiply 5 by 1 by 100. It becomes 5 by 100. Okay. Now 6 lies in 1 by 1000. So multiply 6 multiplied by 1 by 1000. It becomes 6 divided by 1 by 1000. So whatever you get a number, now you know how to find out the place value of the particular digits of a number, of a decimal number, by using the decimal place value chart. So always, see students, you pause the video and write it somewhere else so that you can follow it later on, or you can take a screenshot of this particular area, right? So that you can follow it in the later on. So once you get such a kind of a problem, you know how to find out the place value of the digits, right? Just follow this simple chart. Got it? Now, once we do this, once we have done this, we can write here, see, we can write here what? Expanded form of 235.456 as, see, 200 plus, see, 30 plus 5 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 6 by 1000, right? So you can write in words also, right? In what way? 2 hundredths plus 3 tenths plus 5 ones plus 4 tenths plus 5 hundredths plus 6 thousandths. Got it? So this is what we have learned, that is decimal place value chart, and how to find out the place value of any digits or the digits in the decimal number, right? So let's come to the last section. Let's practice with a few problems, right? Let's practice. See, what will be the place value of 7 in 45.78, right? So 7 lies in 1/10. So 7 by 10. So this one will give you 0.7. Why? Because this one will be 7 by 10. So what will be the place value of 9 in 0.09? 9 lies in 1 by 100 place. So 9 by 100. So it gives you 0.09. Why? See, 2 zeros. So the point will move from here to here and from here to here. Oh my God, there is nothing here. So put 0, right? So 0.09. Got it? So let's find out the place value of 2 in 6.25. Again, this one will be in the 10th place. So 2 by 10, that is 0.02. Got it? So students, if you have followed this lecture, write one decimal number and the place value of the digits in the comment box. Okay? So let's recap. So what are the key points? See, place value chart extends right of the decimal part. Okay? So the place value is 10 times smaller in the decimal. So you have to multiply 1 by 10. Now you have to pronounce it in what way in the fractional part? That is tenths, hundredths and thousands. Got it? So in the next class, we'll be taking up a new concept of decimal, that is how many types of decimals are there. Got it? So students, I guess you have followed the very important section, that is the place value chart in decimal and how to find out the place value in the decimal. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.